The rumors are true. After Effects has a secret menu which you can use to improve renders. This time on Solve. To access the menu, before you do anything else, hold down the Shift key. And then go to Edit, Preferences, General. Keep holding the Shift key down until the Preferences window opens. And there, right at the bottom, they've even called it Secret. Now, it would be awesome if this area was filled with the After Effects equivalent of cheat codes, things like Make a Dinosaur or Digital Youthing with a single button push. And what is here isn't that exciting. The first option is Disable Layer Cache. When you preview, AE usually caches every layer into your computer's RAM for easier and quicker playback. If you're working on a computer without a lot of RAM, unchecking this might help, but your renders will take longer. Option 2 is Purge every 0 frames during Make Movie. By purging your RAM, you free up space for After Effects to do more rendering. If you've got a particularly layer-heavy composition, your RAM can fill up, causing AE to fail during render. Setting this value to 50 or 100, After Effects will empty its cache every 50 or 100 frames. If your renders keep crashing, you can try lowering this number until things become more stable. In typical programming fashion, leaving this setting at 0 tells After Effects to ignore it and never automatically purge the cache. The final option is just don't use. Ignore sequence rendering errors tells After Effects to pay no attention when an error pops up during rendering. Not joking here, don't use this. You can damage your computer's hard drive, memory and CPU by bypassing render errors. And that's it. If you've come here because you're not sure of the best way to export videos from After Effects, then click this video. But if AE is constantly failing with renders, then this video gives you some tips to look out for.